Hi, my name's Darryl Pettigano, Master Mixologist and Spirit Specialist here at Fedway Associates. Today you're joining us in the laboratory at our offices in Basking Ridge to talk about a cocktail called Dodge This, made with Drumshanbo's Gunpowder Irish Gin. So for our first ingredient, 1.5 ounces of Drumshanbo Gunpowder Irish Gin. Next, we're gonna add 1/2 ounce of our cardamom and green tea syrup. Then we're gonna add in 3/4 ounce of lime juice, followed by 1/2 ounce of either egg white or Aquafaba. I'm using Aquafaba in mine. Then we're gonna add in 1/2 ounce of Elderflower Liqueur. We're gonna ice down our shaker. And give it a good hard shake. We're gonna drizzle just a touch of absinthe over our cocktail. We're gonna strain this cocktail over fresh ice. We're gonna garnish our cocktail with a beautiful sprig of rosemary and a lime. We're gonna dust our cocktail with a little fresh grated nutmeg. And there you have the Dodge This, made with Drumshanbo Gunpowder Irish Gin. Cheers.